Hello guys, this is your guy Paul. Welcome to Rhino Auto Hub. We have a new packages that we just received. This is an update. We are changing the name, our official name, from Rhino Auto Hub to Munyi Auto Hub. The reason why we are changing the name from Rhino Auto Hub to Munyi Auto Hub, we are trying to localize our business. That is, our business to conform to the local communities. Munyi, it's a Kikuyu name translated to rhino in English. And since we are in Kenya, why can't we just use local names like Munyi, like Kifaru? Kifaru is rhino, yes, Kifaru. But we're not going to use Kifaru because someone else is using it somewhere else. And since we don't want to mix up the business, we're going to stick to Munyi Auto Hub. So here, what did we receive? We received a new product in the market. We're introducing a new product in our catalog. That is side millers. These are side millers. The first batch came with Subaru side millers. Here are the side millers. I'm going to show you actually. I'm going to do another video purposely for all these parts. So here are the side mirrors, brand new. You can see the color. These are very original from Japan, but they are brand new, all of them. So those are the new products that we have actually introduced. We have these jumpers. Let me show you. Car jumper. This one portable car jumper, 12 volts. It can charge any car. It can jump any car, even a trailer. Not a trailer, sorry, any car that is 12 volts. Okay, so we have so many items zenye zimekuja. There is headlights for what do you call it, Subaru Forester headlights. So majorly the products that we have here are for Subaru Forester, but we have others in stock. So watch other videos if you need any of those parts that I have not mentioned here. Thank you.